Tire Group International is a global tire distribution company that does business in over 80 countries and across the United States. Our mission is to make our customers happy, and that's why we say we've been selling happiness since 1992. I remember the day we came up with the name Tire Group International. I remember the first sale we made. I remember the struggles. I remember the highs. I remember the lows. It's been quite a journey, 30 years. You look back and you say, where has the time gone? But here we are, stronger than ever, and we've created a place that's family, that's team, that's dedicated to what we do and being the best at what we do.
Todos me llaman Pipo. De nuevo estamos cumpliendo 30 años y tanto los que llegaron hace poco como los que llevan 27, 28 años, todos son parte de TGI y son la familia TGI.
We've been doing Tire Group International since its inception in 1992.
Since 2000.
2004.
2000.
Since 2010.
I've been working with TGI for 24 years now.
25 years.
Just over 25 years.
13 happy years.
18 years.
25 years.
For 19 years and 7 months.
Can't remember any part of my life without having Tire Group in it.
When we initially started, it was 5 team members.
Now we are a whole family, more than 100.
At the beginning, I didn't know anything about tires.
It was very difficult at the beginning. I didn't know how to speak English.
When I first got here, everything had to be done by email. And I said, emails?
I remember our first days of Tire Group was crazy. We were in a townhouse. I remember at the time when we started, I was in charge of receivables. My receivables was a little accordion, paper accordion. I would put the invoices there. And sure enough, things got blown out of proportion. We started selling like crazy right from the start. And then we just grew and grew and grew.
Little by little, I started learning the softwares. I started learning how to code tires.
Working in TGI has been the best experience for me.
It's been incredible.
Everything that I learned in my life, not only as professional, in my personal life, I learned from here, from Tire Group.
TGI ha sido como una escuela en el mundo de la goma.
Being surrounded in people with extensive knowledge and a lot of experience in this industry has helped me become a better version of myself.
I met Tony in Peru as my vendor. So when he offered me to come to Miami to start working for him, for me was like a dream, no, that's a joke, that cannot be possible. It was supposed to have to be here just for 6 months, and 6 months turned in 23 years.
TGI is special to me because of the opportunity that was given.
TGI's job was my first job in the States.
TGI has been a support system for me. It's just been the best.
Y aquí he aprendido muchas cosas. He ido creciendo.
It might sound like corny, but I truly do what I like to do.
Growing up in the business all my life, I was very fortunate to work every aspect of this business. Every summer I had the opportunity to move up, moving through billing, accounts payable, and all of a sudden came in sales, and that's where I really found my niche. When summer would end, kind of felt bad leaving because of the family that is created here.
TGI is family. That's the way we at TGI treat everybody.
Y en todos los negocios que hemos hecho, siempre hemos pensado en crear una gran familia.
Here, I think everybody tries to develop that camaraderie where they bring up and help everybody grow.
This place is built on character, on family, on ethics.
Every time we do something, we do it with dedication and love.
Here at Tire Group, the customer always comes first.
It's all about making the customer happy. It's all about customer service. It's all about going beyond the call of duty.
We face many challenges every day. We face many situations where sometimes we need to work together to find solutions. All our efforts are on that. That's the culture, the way we do business at TGI.
I feel this is a winning team.
What Tire Group means to me: family,
commitment,
happiness,
always doing our best.
Teamwork.
Challenging.
Dedication.
Quality products.
Going the extra mile.
Passion.
Ethics.
Innovative.
Brotherhood.
Growth.
Empowerment.
Determination. Unity.
Love.
Personal growth.
Accountability.
Badasses. No stop attitude.
Just getting the job done.
Although tires is our priority, the emphasis that they place on family and their concerns for our families is something that's allowed us to grow into what we are today.
The people that I have the opportunity to work with on a daily basis is something that is hard to find. So I'm very appreciative of that.
We were very careful, always very sure to show how we were as people on the business side. And that means we were always very ethical, doing the right thing, even though maybe it wasn't the best thing financially for the company, but always doing the right thing first. That to us was key, and I think it was an important part to our success.
You take a step back and you look at the entire body of work of what TGI is and what we represent, and you can't help but have a smile and be happy and be proud of everything that has been accomplished. We had, so many active team members that are an important part of our organization. And sadly, you have some that are no longer with us. However, they too left a memorable imprint on our organizations. Now, Beto Olivares, our CFO, who left a memorable impact on the organization and certain individuals.
It's a great pride to me to see what this company has become from those humble beginnings in 1992.
It's been a ride. It's been a great ride. I thank Tony and for allowing me to join the family. I very proudly wear this TGI logo on my heart.
I was 20 years old when I started working here. I'm now 48. So here I became a young man, a dad, a father, and eventually I'll become a grandfather as well. I have been honored to be here all these years. I will ever be grateful to Tony, Tino, Joaquin, and the entire TGI organization for this great opportunity.
I'm proud to work here, and I hope to be here for a very, very long time, until I take Tony's office.
Thank you, TGI, for all these years.
Thank you for the opportunity.
The life I have today, I owe it to Tony and Tire Group.
TGI, it's my family.
Anyone can sell a product. At TGI, we do more than that. We sell happiness. That's what's made us successful. And that's why we are the winning team. Thank you for being part of our legacy and our success.